Hi, and welcome to another one of our 1-minute English Lexical Lab videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and maybe check out our website at www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our English courses. In a recent Lexical Lab session, one student, who's also a teacher, was telling us about her own cohort of students and how they don't do much work in class and they're not really motivated and they don't do their homework. And she was saying how she thought her students must be living in cloud cuckoo land if they expected to improve their English and become more fluent without actually doing anything. If you say that someone is living in cloud cuckoo land or is in cloud cuckoo land, you mean to say that that person is living in a dream world, in a fantasy world, that they're a fantasist. They're detached from reality or have lost touch with reality and are not being very realistic. Another example of that could be that of Stanley Johnson. That's Boris Johnson's father, who came out in the press in August last year, 2020, saying that he thought his son and anyone else who thinks that the UK would walk away from the EU with a favourable trade deal and get everything their own way must be living in cloud cuckoo land and being really unrealistic. A more recent example is that of Andrei Shevchenko, the former Ukrainian footballing star who played for AC Milan and Chelsea and is now manager of Genoa, a small team in Italy. And he appeared in the press more recently when he was pursuing the Chelsea player Christian Pulisic, and he was labelled as living in cloud cuckoo land if he expected to be able to lure the Chelsea player away from Chelsea and to his small club at Genoa. So, phrases that mean something similar to living in cloud cuckoo land might be he's lost touch with reality, he's detached from reality, he's living in a fantasy world, he's living in a dream world, he's hopelessly optimistic, he's ridiculously optimistic. And in American English, you're more likely to hear the term living in la-la land. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button. That's the thumbs up sign below. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below, please let us know how you would use the chunk living in cloud cuckoo land.